Okay, so what we're working on today is our portal axle truck. We have our new CTIS fittings, and it's kind of a fun little design. I have it sitting in really hot water right now just to loosen it up. It is a Teflon seal. And so one of these was erroneous. So we're going to clean it up real quick, just wipe the water off. I've got a little bit of assembly lube we're going to put on this. I've already got anaerobic on the O-ring, so we're good to go there. But now this thing is good and toasty. Oh my God, it's hot. Put on a little bit of sticky, call it sticky schlickum. I don't know what you want to call it. And very carefully insert it through the hub so we don't lip the seal. So it's very tedious. And you have to kind of go at it in a weird angle at first. Be very careful. Once you have everything straight, then we can gently push it in. There we go. And we're in. You need to rotate this a little bit so that we're solid. Cool. I'm going to bolt that in and hook the airline up, see if it holds air. Fun times.